Hello everyone. Let's quickly solve for the value of n if n is what? A natural number. Okay, the first thing we need to do is let's clear this exponents. Let's clear it. So I will have to raise each side to the power of 1 over n because I want to remove n from here. Okay, so this will be n to the power of 32 raised to the power of 1 over n is equal to 2 to the power of n raised to the power of 1 over n. Okay, so I want us to note that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by n. All right, so that means that I can rewrite this as n to the power of 32 multiplied by 1 over n is equal to 2 to the power of n multiplied by 1 over n. Okay, so we can now solve this as n to the power of 32 divided by n is equal to this. We divide this and we are left with 2. Okay, now I want to remove 32. Okay, so the only way to do that is to raise each side of this equation to the power of 1 over 32. So I'll write n to the power of 32 divided by n raised to the power of 1 over 32 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 1 over 32. All right, so as usual, like I explained, this is same thing as n to the power of 32 divided by n multiplied by 1 over 32, right? So that means that this 32 can divide this 32 and we will have, excuse me, okay, I'm trying to get a straight line, and we will have n to the power of 1 over n, okay, is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 32. Now when you look at this and this, there is no comparison between that, so let's keep manipulating this until we get something that is similar to this. Okay, so what are we going to do? We have n to the power of 1 over n multiplied by 2 divided by 2, all right, is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 32 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Or there is no need of multiplying this side by that. Yes, there is no need. Okay, so we are going to have n to the power of 1 over n is equal to, this becomes what? 2 to the power of 1 times 2 will give us 2 divided by 3 times 32 will give us 64. Okay, so we have n to the power of 1 over n is equal to, this is 2, sorry, we can rewrite this as what? 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 1 over 64. Yes, because 2 times the whole of this will still give us this. All right, so we have n to the power of 1 over n is equal to, now 2 to the power of 2 will give us 4 raised to the power of 1 over 64. All right, now when we look at this, there's still no comparison. What should we do? So we are going to continue. Now I want us to subscribe to the channel if this is the first time you have seen me. So please click on the subscription button and on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And I want to give a shout out to Futuristic 20. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for the super thanks. I really appreciate you. Okay, all right, now this is what we have. Like I said, we have to continue to manipulate the right hand side to get something similar to the left hand side. So I will write n to the power of 1 over n is equal to 4 to the power of 2 multiplied by, sorry, 1 divided by 64 multiplied by 2 over 2. Okay, so if we write that, we have n to the power of 1 over n is equal to 4, let me bring these 2 in, and then raise this side to the power of 1 over 64 multiplied by what? 2. So I believe that you now know what I did since I've explained this one. Okay, so it's still the same thing. So we have n to the power of 1 over n is equal to, so we are going to have 4 squared will give us 16 raised to the power of 1 over, now 64 times 2 will give us 128, right? Yeah, okay, we continue. So n to the power of 1 over n is equal to, looking at this still, Still, there is no comparison. So we are going to have 16 to the power of 128, 1 over 128 multiplied by 2 over 2. Now, for those that will be like, why 2 over 2? When I multiply by 2 over 2, it's like multiplying by 1. So I've not really changed anything. I'm just trying to manipulate it, okay? All right. So we have n to the power of 1 over n is equal to, so I'll write 16. I'm going to bring these 2 in, and I'm going to raise this to the power of what? 1 divided by 128 multiplied by these 2. So I've explained it already here. That's why I keep going straight to the point. All right. Hope you have subscribed. Have you given us a thumbs up yet? Please give us a thumbs up if you are actually enjoying what we are doing. Okay. So this is what we have. N raised to the power of 1 over n is equal to 16 squared. We give us what? Now I'm going to use my trick to do it. If you want math tricks that is on how to solve so many things, I have them on my channel. If I remember, I'm going to put the link on the description box, but if you don't see, just check through my videos. Is there. It's not that far. Thank you. Now, so 16 squared, 6 squared will give us 36. 1 squared will give us 1, so I'll write 0, 1. Now 1 times 6 will give us 6, and double of 6 is 12, so I'll write 12, and I'll add. So I'll have 256. So 16 squared is 256. So I'm going to have, so this is 16 squared, so I will have 256 raised to the power of, let me shift, raised to the power of 1 over 1.128 times 2. All right, and 128 times 2 is also 256, right? 128 times 2, this is 16. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 256. So we are going to have 1 over 256. Exactly what we've been looking for. So at this point, we just take a very chilled drink, because we have actually gotten to the end of the journey. Yes, because by comparison, n is equal to 256, right? So we can say n is equal to 256. N is equal to 256. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day.